Okay, this is Andrew again. This is the second part of videos on the Sanctuary video systems. So what if you need to reset the power for the two projectors? Well, this is the panel inside the copy room, and it's number 30 right here, and that is documented right over here. But it's number 30. Flip it off, wait, flip it on, and it will reset. Okay, so here's another issue. This guy here, remember the green video amp down here? That is how we do the camera for, say, baptisms and stuff. And what we do for that is this unit here. This unit is an HDMI, HDMI to composite converter. So it comes out with a single video and have a single cable. So I just took the left, the stereo cable that goes around back into this green video amp. And then of course this is the monitor for whatever is displaying from the green video amp. So that's all well and good. That's how we show the video, and then of course we switch over to input 2 here to show that. The problem is, for whatever reason, the matrix, the bridges, the particular TVs, whatever you have on this screen shows fine in the Sanctuary on all 4 screens, the 2 TVs and the 2 projectors, but it does not show in the cafe. Don't know why. Okay, now we're going to take a little look at how things are wired up. Okay, first of all, we're going to look at the patch bay back here on the wall that faces out towards the rest of the Sanctuary, the curved wall. So here you go. This is how all the outputs are sent away out to the outputs. These actually connect from here back here. This is the second closet. So, see, there's this big old junction here, and there's all these little connectors. I should get some light on the subject. There we go. There's all these little connectors, and these are well taped and marked here. I won't go through them in the video. You can figure that out by looking at the tape. Next, I want to actually look at where the inputs come in. The green amp, which is input number 2, and input number 1, which is the projection Mac. Okay, so in the back of the projection Mac, you've got this bottom video card that goes over here to the left-hand screen, which is how you control ProPresenter and PowerPoint, etc. Whereas this is the screen that shows you what's being displayed on the outputs. Again, on the back of the projection Mac, this top video card is the one that goes to here to be displayed, but it doesn't go directly there because we also need to send it as an output. So let's trace where that goes. So here I am way underneath, see, I crawled underneath, and over here, this unit, the VGA goes in, and then there's a VGA that goes out back to the monitor, and then it converts it to this RJ45 Ethernet type, Cat5, Cat6, I'm not sure, it's probably Cat5 cable, and then this is just power at the bottom. So this box converts us into that Cat5 type of cable, which is how the matrix operates. This is the matrix here, and you can see it's got a row of inputs on the top, and it's got 2 inputs going in there, one from the projection Mac and one from the video amp. This is the green video amp thing there. It's all we use it for right now is the camera. We used to use it for a DVD player, but we don't support that anymore. We rip things instead. and just play them off per presenter. So, and you can see that there's 6 outputs here, and those 6 outputs go here to the wall that we saw before. So here we're looking at the back of one of the TVs in the cafe, and you see here in comes the Ethernet type or Cat5 cable, and then it outputs VGA, which then goes into the TV. So that's how we get from the Mez to the cafe or any of the TVs or the projectors. And I need to say that now that I'm making this video, I'm realizing that I'm incorrect. There are not 12 bridge units. There are only 8. There's one for the each of the inputs, and then one for each of the outputs, because the video matrix doesn't need them because it outputs the Ethernet type cable already. Okay, so that's it for now. If you have questions, you want me to add to the document or make another video, just let me know. God bless.